Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to prepare an instant delicious breakfast using noodles. For the recipe, I am going to take 1 pack of noodles. We are going to cook this. Put the noodles in a pan, add enough water and cook this until it turns soft. Now the noodles is soft, it is cooked well, so we can switch off the flame and keep this aside. Take a bowl, add half a cup of ground flour, that is besan. To this add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, that is Maida. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, required amount of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1 packet of taste maker. I am using Maggi noodles here, so this taste maker comes along with the noodles. Give everything a nice mix and start adding water. You have to add water little by little. We need a loose batter out of this, so add water accordingly. The batter has to be runny like this. To this add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato and a teaspoon of chili flakes. Now give everything a nice mix. Now it is time to add the noodles. You have to drain the water and add the noodles. Let us mix this. Finally, the batter has to be like this. And to cook this, I am going to use a Paniyaram pan, that is Appe pan. Add enough oil to the pan and pour the batter. Let us close this with the lid and cook this in medium flame. One side is ready, let us flip this. Cook this until this becomes crispy outside. So here our noodles balls are ready. You can serve this with some tomato sauce. Do give a try, it will taste so good. Kids will definitely like it. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.